Hey, we have a Toshiba AC unit, and I had to take it apart. So yeah. So it was vibrating like crazy and making humming, going zzz. So took it apart. There's clips over here, so you had to like push it in, unscrew all the screws first, push it in, and then like push harder, and then split them apart, and then it comes off. Okay. So let's see. Let's turn it on. Startup mode. I'll show you how I fixed it and what sound it was making. Okay. Power on. So it was making like that sound. Here's the back. I'll show you what I did. So around right here, it was, I think somebody bent it, so that's bent in. I'm not really sure. I don't have the original. This is used. I bought it used. So let's see. And then, so once pushed like that, it was making that sound. You hear that? So when pushed this way, I'm pushing this way, it doesn't make less sound. So the vibration is hitting something. So what I did was moved it around a little, pushed it around, and then I'm also using sound dampening material to quieten it. So I put some on here. I don't know if I should put it on there, but yeah, I put it on there, and then put some on here. Like 3 layers right here. This is vibrating like crazy, so it's gonna stop vibrations. Just figure out anywhere else that would vibrate. So yeah. So it's quieter. If I don't push it like this, it would stop the vibrations. So I might put more sound dampening material on this, see if that works. But yeah, yeah, that's what I did. So this is the sound dampening material I'm using, Noriko. So yeah, and it is allowed to -50 to 200. So yeah, this is mostly used for cars, and this is the version I'm using. So yeah, like and subscribe. There's a link in the description below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Now I just need to put the cover back on. See you guys.